In the bustling heart of Brooklyn, New York, Gloria Foster, a bubbly Jamaican secretary in her late 20s, carefully smoothing her vibrant nail polish and adjusting her pretty jewels and scarf each morning before heading to the office. It was the vibrant essence of her homeland that she carried with her, a piece of Jamaica nestled within the fast-paced city life. Gloria had migrated to America to live with her relatives, driven by dreams of success and a desire to help support her younger brother's schooling back home. At a mid-sized advertising firm, Gloria transformed the mundane into the extraordinary. She tackled every challenge with hearty laughter and unparalleled efficiency. Her colleagues marveled at her ability to organize chaos, turning disheveled meetings into seamless events. No matter how stressful the day got, her warm smile provided a sense of calm that drew everyone in. One sunny morning, a critical presentation had gone awry. Panic enveloped the office as the projector failed. But Gloria, quick on her feet, suggested an impromptu idea, a live brainstorming session. With her charisma and knack for teamwork, she guided her colleagues, weaving their thoughts into a compelling story that captivated their clients. Word of her resourcefulness spread, and soon enough, Gloria's hard work paid off. The management team recognized her unique talent and promoted her to executive assistant. Thrilled, Gloria knew this was just the beginning. As she left the office that evening, the sun setting behind the skyline, she thought of her family and how her journey was paving the way for their dreams too. Gloria Foster, the unstoppable Jamaican secretary, embraced her new role with pride, knowing the best was yet to come.